So for my AP Psychology website project, I chose to do the topic of the psychology of sports fans. Why I chose this topic. I am an avid sports fan, and sports is part of my everyday life. I try to watch sports every day, and one day plan on becoming a sports journalist, so that's how integral part of my life sports are. This topic is very relevant to my life and near and dear, with self-esteem and in-group bias. I live and die with the Mets and Jets, depending on if they win or lose, and will go to bat to defend them whenever necessary, no matter how bad or how good they are. What I found. My first subcategory, de-individuation, is a vital part to the next three subcategories. In-group bias is your sense of self, with that you identify with the sports team and have to go to bat for them. And that's like me. When you have to defend your team no matter what, even if might not be true because you're identifying with the team. Self-esteem is you identify with the sports team and their highs and lows are your highs and lows. So because you identify with the sports team, you feel what they go through, even if it might not be as bad for them, but it's still you live with the ups and downs. Conformity, you conform to the norms of the group that you identify with, and when you do that, you lose your sense of self and awareness. And that all ties back into de-individuation, which is losing your sense of self, which I thought to be interesting because I felt like we talked about de-individuation a lot in class.